How many cruise companies are there in the world?
3.
Right. What are those 3 big cruise companies in the world?
Carnival Cruise, Star Cruise and Royal Caribbean Cruise.
Right. What cruises does Carnival Cruise Company run?
Carnival Cruise Line, Princess Line, Holland America Line and Costa Cruises.
Right. Which cruises does Star Cruise Company run?
Norwegian Cruise Line and Costa Star Cruises.
Right. Which cruise does the Royal Caribbean Cruise Company run?
Royal Caribbean Cruise Line and Celebrity Cruises.
Right. How is Carnival Cruise Line being marketed?
As a fun ship
Right. What does the Carnival Cruise Line attracts?
to the younger generation.
Right. How the Carnival Cruise Line ship attracts the young generation?
These ships have activity which tailor to the younger generation.
Right. Who attracts activities tailored to the young generation?
The activity tailored to the younger generation attract the people of the age group of 20 to 40 who cruise for their first time.
Right. Right. What kind of ships does the Princess Cruise Line offer?
Modern and bright.
Right. In which areas is the Princess Cruise Line leading?
Flexible food service and outdoor cinema.
Right. What is so special about the Princess Cruise Line?
Can you please repeat?
What is so special about the Princess Cruise Line?
Moderate rate of products. Marginal rate of products, sorry.
Right. For which age group is the Princess Cruise Line suitable?
Suitable for the most of the age group.
Right. What does Holland America Cruise Line focus on more?
At rest.
Right. How is Holland America Cruise Line decoration?
Is more conservative.
Right. What type of customers does Holland America Cruise Line have?
These cruise has the customer of the age group of 50 to 70, which is usually more intelligent and loyal.
Right. Costa Cruise Line belongs to which country?
Italy.
Right. What type of travel is the Costa Cruise Line famous for?
When travel between Europe.
Right. How the Costa Cruise ships are?
These ships are made according to the European taste and expectation.
Right. What is Norwegian Cruise Line specialty?
Norwegian Cruise Line's specialty on the sports activity and the events, sports activities and the events, and are the modern ship which attract the people of all age group.
Right. What does the Star Cruise Line operates?
In Asia.
Right. Which market does the Star Cruise Line meet?
European market, Asian market and Australian market.
Right. What is very popular in Star Cruise Line?
Casino.
Right. What is Star Cruise Line expert in?
It is, can you please repeat?
What is Star Cruise Line expert in?
Short duration cruises.
Right. What does Star Cruise Line pay more attention to?
On the quality of food.
Wrong. How big are Royal Caribbean Line ships?
1 lakh tons.
Right. What are the names of 2 big ships of Royal Caribbean?
Cunard Line, Queen Mary.
Right. What is the specialty of Royal Caribbean Line ships?
These are the big ships. Many types of activities can be done on board, and there is a provision of traveling in it.
Right. Which passenger are preferred by Royal Caribbean Line?
In these cruises, all types of passenger can travel who want to be active on this cruise.
Right. What are Celebrity Cruise Line known for?
For recipes.
Right. What is the number of people working in Celebrity Cruise Line?
They are more employed than other cruises.
Right. How are Celebrity Cruise Line customers?
They are loyal.
Right. Which region has the most popular cruise itinerary?
Caribbean area, Alaska, Panama Canal and Hawaii Island.
Right. Which itinerary is the popular on Europe cruise?
Eastern and Western Mediterranean Sea, Baltic itinerary and Scandinavia itinerary, and to travel within British Isles.
Right. What are the most popular cruise trips in the Far East?
Hong Kong, China, Singapore, Thailand, Japan and Korea.
Right. How many days are the most popular time for a cruise?
8 days.
Right. Where is a 3 or 4 days cruise more popular?
In America and Bahamas.
Right. How many days of cruise are usually in Europe, South America and Panama?
10 to 14 days.
Right. What is special about a specialty cruise?
There is a special theme and many activities can be done in it.
Right. What does a specialty cruise primarily consist of?
Consist of the sports activities, events and hobbies and education.
Right. Specialty cruise are usually for how many days?
For 8 days and more.
Right. To which benefits of cruise vacation you should emphasize on when selling cruise to your client?
Everything is included in everything is included in a single price. A passenger can travel to many destinations. They have to unpack their baggage only once, and activities are available for all the age groups.
Right. Which holiday has the highest customer satisfaction rate in the travel industry?
Cruise.
Right. What percentage of cruise passengers say that they will definitely take another cruise?
75%.
Right. What things are described in the cruise brochure?
Services, activities, services, activities and food, etc.
Right. What details are given in the cruise brochure about a cabin?
Cabin location and price.
Right. What are the things an agent need to know before presenting a cruise brochure?
Client budget, cabin requirement and interest.
Right. What determines the pricing of accommodation on a cruise?
Cabin size and type.
Right. What are the things to discuss before choosing a cruise product?
It is important to discuss with client.
Right. Why is it necessary to discuss the needs of the client?
Pass.
Wrong. Why is it necessary to check the nationality of a customer?
Because visas are required to travel in different countries.
Right.